nakatapos na tayo sa immigration, guys. Nakakuha na tayo ng bagay. Ayan yung mga Philippine team. Alright, let's go. So ito yung Phnom Penh Airport. Let's go. Hi guys, dito sa tinutuluyan kong hotel, sa CCC Hotel, nagpa-practice yung Gilas Pilipinas basketball team. Ayan guys, oh, Gilas Pilipinas yan guys. Let's go. Gilas Pilipinas yan guys, basketball team. Let's go. Hi guys, this is Mr. Fresh 21. So today is Sunday guys. Day off tayo ngayon. Mamamasyal tayo ngayon guys. Meron tayong kasamang Filipino friend dito sa Cambodia. So sasamahan niya tayo mamasyal dito sa Cambodia. Let's enjoy the day habang nandito tayo sa Cambodia. Yan. Yan pala yung place natin, CCC Hotel. Let's go guys. Pasyalan natin yung Cambodia. Let's go. Hi guys, nandito kami sa Cambodian restaurant,
Amigo Steakhouse.
Yes, Amigo Steakhouse.
Yeah.
Pero po dito ang Pilipina.
Hello.
Hi ma'am. So, nakain ka mo ng steak to buffet dito. Woo! Fish pa ito. Pala, ito yung mga menu. Yan, makita naman. Wala sa Philippines yan guys. Dito lang. Mamaya may steak dito.
Anong fish to?
Let's go. Hindi kilala yung fish. Dapat nagpakilala.
Makipagkilala. Diba?
Bihirang fish yun. Walang pakisama.
Hindi pa. Sabi dito. Bakit ka na ba dito?
Oo, parang ganon. Pag walang trabaho, ganon. Vlog natin itong mga pagkain dito, guys. Ano naman, we have some fruits. Cambodia version. Let's go. Hi, Kuya Jingo.
Hi.
Ano yan? Veterans na rito sa Cambodia. Isa sa mga elite. Ito na yung dessert nila, guys. Pakita natin yung mga foods. Yan ang mga Cambodian version. Beef stew. Meron din dito Brazilian black beans. Wala sa atin yan guys. May tikman natin. And sausage yan guys. Parang chicken curry yun. Saan makita ng ganyan? May tugtugan pa. Nice place, nice place. Let's go.
What is this? What pineapple? Pineapple.
Pineapple. Wow, nice.
One more?
One more, yeah. Thank you.
What do you have one?
Ganon dito guys. Ganon dito. Oh, what's this one?
I want the pork sausage.
Yeah. What?
Want the pork sausage?
Sassy one.
Yeah, okay. One more?
Yes, one more. Let's eat.
Ano ba?
Wow, what's this? What?
Beef sirloin.
Beef sirloin. Wow.
Beef sirloin.
Beef sirloin. Ah, nice. Yeah, okay. Can we have it?
What is this? Dory fish and
Dory. Wow.
Dory, yeah. Okay. Can I have dory?
Some fish.
Okay. Yeah, honey. Good here. Okay, some dory fish. Dory fish.
Kakapili ito guys.
Mo?
Kaya na yung service dito.
Again, what's this? Garlic steak. Garlic steak.
Garlic steak.
Yes.
The other one is fish.
Dory fish.
Hihiwain sa harapan mo tapos kunin mo na lang. Ayan. So, imagine mo ganito dito yung
Sabihin mo yung presyo.
guys, yung kinakain namin 10 USD lang yan guys. Super buffet. Ha? 10 USD. Kaya na tayo. Hi guys, this is from Team Amigo.
Yes.
It's the owner,
Marcos, Peter.
Mr. Marcos, our Brazilian chef. Yeah, and he's the owner. Can I
Welcome.
see?
Yeah, sure.
Look at the steak here, guys. Very nice. I taste this one, very delicious. Oh my God, look at this. That's the preparation with the menu, the best. And $10 you can already eat steak here. Oh my God, very nice. Amigo, thank you. Thank you. Guys, so dito naman tayo sa coffee shop. Dito, isa raw to sa mga sikat na coffee shop dito sa Cambodia. Local brand. Parang Starbucks nila dito, local. Ang ganda sa loob, parang pwede pang Instagram. Let's go! Diba guys, ang ganda ng ambience. Coffee. May second floor. Meron silang ready to drink coffee guys. Oh. Black and brown coffee. Steed. Iced coffee yan pareho. Ganda. Diba? For souvenirs. Let's go. Ice Kejingo. Oh, diba guys? Yung ginagawa yung kape. Oh. See. Ano naman. Diyan ginagawa yung kape nila. Ayan. Stig. Stig.